Oh, I didn't
I
actually.
want this one.
You want this one?
I like that one.
Me too.
Why not? You found it.
It is a cat fan.
Oh my
History
God.
loves the cats.
No.
It doesn't? Well, then why is it wearing a cat hat?
Well, I think the doggy's gonna come out here.
Skinny one you could put by the window too, Avery.
Yeah, could do that.
They call skinny one. Cat got your pen. We gotta make him this one.
Yeah.
Let's make it easier.
What are you gonna say, Avery? $5?
I can't sell it for $3. $5, that's too much, Avery. I'll sell it to you for $1.50.
Oh.
My grandma paid you $2 the other day. You got that much money.
Does that sound good, bud?
And you could work for me some more if you needed to
You
earn
want to
$2
pick
more.
up and you can be more confident? You want to pick up?
Okay.
What do you think?
$1.50? I
Shave your
think
eyes?
that's pretty good, Ave.
Yeah, will you pay $1.50? Can you talk today?
Let's run with it.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
And what do we say? What do we say? Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Would you like to cut your own tree down there?
That would be fun.
Yeah.
I do mostly trapping. I got some poison pellets, oats I can put down the hole. But I usually trap them.
Yeah, we got a cat that he'll eat the baby. Like I think a couple times I've trapped a mother.
Yeah.
And then like he's had like 3 or 4 babies.
You want Daddy?
You want me to pick up?
Now what about anybody
You want
else?
a vantage point?
Right here?
Yeah, your coco's just cool down.
No.
Okay.
I don't know what size. Every year we have a
Oh, those are great.
Yeah,
Oh, that's wonderful.
Now he wants to see
Now
it.
you want to see it?
Now she wants
No,
to
I
see
think
it.
it's good.
Well, but
Thank
you
you.
want to see the picture that you want to see the picture you didn't even want to be in?
You want to see the picture?
Eliza didn't want to be in it. Now she wants to see it.
Is that okay?
Now, are you happy you did it or sad?
Still
You're sad you did it.
Well, we need the picture of you guys in Pop's truck, like the
Oh yeah, we should take the Pop's truck picture.
Oh, not bad.
Why don't you go in Pop's truck for a couple minutes?
Got it.
Here, let's. Okay, I'll hug you. Look.
Oh.
Ouchie. Eliza, look at Pop. Eliza.
You're being a pain in the britches.
Get out.
That's Ouchie?
Yeah.
Well, then let's sit right here. We're not even touching it. Go say hi, Pop.
Hi, Pop.
No?
No.
No, Pop.
Well, I think it's fine, ma'am.